Okay, in this video, we're going to factor the following expression, and we're going to use method 1, simple grouping pre-AC. And in the description box of this video, I go over several different methods, and I go over it in detail, including this method right here. And so let's begin. So we have to have A times C, and how do we get A? A is the coefficient in front of x squared, so that's going to be 3, and C is the constant, so 2. Our B term is the coefficient for x, so 5. Now AC we think multiplication, and B we think addition or sum. And 3 times 2 is 6. So now we think, what two numbers multiply to give us 6 but add to give us 5? You know, at first you might say 1 times 6, 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is good because 2 plus 3 is 5. And so our combination will be 2 and 3. Now part of this method is called simple grouping, so that's the next step. So I'm going to keep 3x squared plus, and instead of saying 5x, I'm going to say 2x plus 3x, which is equivalent to 5x plus 2. Now we're going to group the first two pieces and the last two pieces. So 3x squared plus 2x, close it, and in between we put a plus sign, parentheses 3x plus 2. So now we need to do the greatest common factor for each term. So 3x squared and 2x. They both have an x. Now 3 and 2. The only number we could divide both of them by and get a whole number would be 1. So all I'm going to do is take out an x. X times what gives you 3x squared? That's going to be 3x. X times what is 2x? That's going to be positive 2. Now we'll do this piece. Same idea. Now this piece doesn't have an x. And again, 3 and 2. The biggest number we could divide both by and get a whole number would be 1. And so I'm going to put a plus 1. Now I do my parentheses, 3x plus 2. And we look here and here, we see something's identical, which is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Whatever is identical, we copy, so 3x plus 2. Then I call these the leftovers, x plus 1. And that'll be another parentheses, x plus 1. And so this right here is your final answer. And we can always check. 3x times x would give us 3x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And finally, 2 times 1 is 2. And so it's a match. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.